Good morning, dear students. So let's start the theorem 6.1. Theorem 6.1 states that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So it is a triangle ABC. In the triangle ABC, here are the three angles. It is angle A, it is angle B, and it is angle C. And the theorem 6.1 states that angle A plus angle B plus angle C means all the three angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. This is the theorem 6.1. Now let's proceed for theorem 6.2. Theorem 6.2 says if a side of a triangle is produced, side of a triangle is produced. Produced मतलब extend. Suppose this is a triangle that is x, y, z. We extend this side. Which side? X, y side. X, y side is extended. Extended means produced. We may use here as produced. XY side is produced to, suppose it is a point, we may take S. XY side is produced to S. Okay. So now see, here is one angle it occurred. So this angle is what? This is the angle that is SXZ. The angle here it is X, uh, it is what? SXZ. This SXZ, this angle. So this angle is what? This is the exterior angle. Why it is called exterior angle? Because it is outside of the triangle. X, Y, Z, outside of the triangle. So what will be the interior angles? Interior angles will be X, Y, and Z. So these three angles are what? Interior angles. Whereas SXZ is exterior angle. So theorem 6.2 says what? If a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. एक तो exterior angle क्या होगा? Sum of interior angles. But what interior angles? Opposite interior angles. It means this is the exterior angle और इसके पास में इंटीरियर एंगल कौन सा है? x. तो ये नहीं है. इसके ऑपोजिट में जो दो इंटीरियर एंगल्स है कौन से y and z. So this exterior angle will be equal to the sum of the opposite, these two are opposite of this y and z. So this angle SXZ exterior angle will be equal to the sum of angle y and angle z, where angle y and angle z are what? Interior and opposite angles. So here we may say that angle SXZ equal to angle y plus angle z. This is the theorem 6.2. So let's take this triangle. So here we produce this xy side 2s. So suppose we produce this BC side to somewhere, suppose D. We produce BC side to D. So what will be the exterior angle? This will be exterior angle. What are the opposite interior angles of this exterior angle? These two will be opposite interior angles. So like this, ACD is the exterior angle, whereas opposite interior angles are angle A plus angle B, according to theorem 6.2. So same thing, अगर हम यहाँ पे when we produce the line side that is PR, PQR is a triangle, or we produce this PQR, मतलब PR to what? PR to suppose T. So here is the exterior angle. जहाँ पे हमने प्रोड्यूस करेंगे तो उसके साथ जो एक्सटेंड साइड है वो और कंजिक्यूटिव साइड ऑफ द ट्रायंगल, वो दोनों क्या बनाते हैं? एक्सटीरियर एंगल. सो दिस इज एक्सटीरियर एंगल. दिस इज exterior angle. Okay, so these two are what? These two are interior opposite angles. So इसके interior opposite angles कौन से हैं? This and this. It means here exterior angle is what? TPQ. Exterior angle is TPQ is equal to sum of all the opposite interior angles, two opposite interior angles, that is angle Q plus angle R. So just naming it that Y and Z are what? Y and Z are interior opposite angles. Okay, like this here, A and B are interior opposite angles. Like this, Q and R are interior opposite angles. So this is all about theorem 6.1 and theorem 6.2. Now let's proceed for exercise, and there will be the application of these two, 6.1 and 6.2.